The health benefits of rose apples. Let's get something clear. Rose apples neither are apples nor have come connection to roses. This fruit belongs to the guava family of fruits, and it also known as Syzygium jambos. Native to the East Indies and Malaya and cultivated and naturalized in many parts of India and Southeast Asia, this shrub tree is invasive and grows really fast. It is similar like the guava, except for its different texture, flavor, and smell. It is recommended to eat it raw just like the apples. This incredible fruit is healthier than you can imagine. With all the health benefits it can provide, you definitely don't want to miss this nature gift. Health benefits of rose apple. Diabetes. Rose apple is alkaloid and has the ability to regulate the sugar. It is extremely beneficial for diabetes too. Digestion. It is rich in fibers and it properly deals with the food inside. Moreover, it can resolve indigestion and gases. For many years, it was used for treating diarrhea and dysentery. Cancer preventing. There are many active compounds in rose apple that can prevent cancer. If you combine them with vitamin A and C, they can prevent breast and prostate cancer. Detox to the kidneys and liver. This apple can effectively detoxify your liver and kidneys. It is diuretic and can boost your metabolism and overall health. Cholesterol. Due to its rich content of fiber, rose apple can significantly reduce bad cholesterol. In other words, it will keep you safe from heart problems, atherosclerosis and other heart problems. Other usage. According to a recent study, rose apple can prevent joint inflammation, smallpox, seizures, and soreness in eyes. Note, remember that the stems, seeds, and cultivars can be toxic in nature and can contain cyanide. So, before you get the fruit, make sure you get it from professional fruit sellers.